Planter Garden TV, how you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm here looking into my soil. I do a lot of research on my soil. I do my own experiment on my soil. So I have some idea about soil and I want to show you guys the difference of these two soil. Okay? This is dirt, this is regular dirt. That's right here. This is dirt and both of them are wet, soaking wet. So these are dirt and over here this is leaf and grass that break down and become this nice fluffy soil. It breaks down and it naturally turns into soil. This one was clay soil, but over the years I've been working on it and it started naturally breaking and turn into really good soil, very healthy soil. But this was naturally red clay soil, but now it started turning black and it's a very rich soil. So what I do, I take this one and add to this one and make it super rich. You see what I'm saying? So I'm using, this is the dirt that I've been working on for some years. This is the soil in my garden that I've been working on and it becomes super rich. Now I have this compost. This is compost, guys, that break down from the leaf. And look how this thing break down. I never add anything to it. All I allow nature to do the work, and look what nature has done. Nature has created this, turned this thing into a masterpiece when come on soil. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these together and throw it in this container and plant this turmeric. So when I do that, this is gonna make this turmeric grow beautiful. All right? So now let's come back here. Guys, when you buying soil or compost from wherever and you see stuff like this, I mean, this takes time to break down. This is not gonna break down overnight. This takes some time to break down. So this is why I'm saying you can't just plant your food with stuff like this and believe it adding any nutrients or anything to the plant. No. This takes time to break down. This, when you use this, I'm going to add a little water and I'm going to show you something. I'm going to just add some water here. I'm going to add some water to this soil. And I'm going to give you an idea of what's going on. You see, it's almost melt away. You see what I'm saying? It's melting away. Just by adding the water, it's melting, and look the juice. You see, look, the juice, it's ready to feed the plant. Okay? But when you use these other things, it's not gonna look like this. Because why is not gonna look like this? Because you're still getting these wood chips that take time to break down. Look at this. This turn like soup. It turn like juice. It turn like it's ready. Naturally ready to feed your plant. So now your plant could be sucking minerals, nutrients from this. You see what I'm saying? Look at it. Look at it. It's ready to feed the plant. Just by wetting it, look how it turns. Look how it turns. Just by wetting it. Full of nutrition. Ready to feed your plant. This is what I'm talking about. Over here, I'm going to wet this side also, and I'm going to show you a different texture of what's going on. But at the same time, this soil is very rich. This is rich soil. I've been working for years now. And it's really turned out to be beautiful soil. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix it with this. I'm going to mix it in with this. I'm a turmeric, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix them together. Mix them together nicely. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw it down in this container. Throw it down in this container, and I'm gonna mix it up real good down inside here. And guess what? Now I'm gonna take my beautiful turmeric and I'm gonna stock it right down inside here. So I'm not guessing, I already know that this turmeric gonna produce some beautiful turmeric. Because why? It get the super soil that it need. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, because we have tons of video coming your way. All right, peace and love.